Welcome to my visual tour. For more details on this property or to schedule an appointment to personally preview, be sure to contact a realtor today. Not many available in this price range. So don't wait. This is a great starter home or investment property. Built in 1999, this 2-bedroom and 1-bath home is located on 0.32 acre and close to schools in the Brooksville City limits. Features newer wood laminate floors and cellar states AC replaced in 2019. Open kitchen and great room style with inside laundry hookup and shed in backyard. Vacant and ready for you to make this your own. Do yourself a favor and drive the neighborhood block down and around Lark Avenue and take in the quaint, country-style homesites with lots of privacy.